So let's continue. Nuestra Señora Desatadora de Nudos. And Nuestra Señora del Monte Carmelo. Nuestra Señora de los Desamparados, la Gobernadora de Manila. Okay, enjoy it with your bowl, guys and girls, and at the same time you can make some prayers, little prayers or big prayers for yourselves, to your family, to your loved ones, or to your special someones or beloved ones. Nuestra Señora de los Desamparados. Okay, Jesus Christ and Mama Mary. La Purísima Concepción. Nuestra Señora de Aranzazu. Sorry, sir. Nuestra Señora de la Paz y Buen Viaje de Antipolo. Make some prayers, guys and girls, okay? Nuestra Señora del Buen Suceso, Our Lady of Good Events. So guys, if you have events and something to celebrate, just pray for her, okay? Just pray with her and ask for prayers to Nuestra Señora del Buen Suceso. Buen Suceso, rather. Nuestra Señora de la Sister Dolores. It's pamamaalam ni Jesus kay Maria. Hold on for a sec.